I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs Reader for PDFs so you can turn any document into natural-sounding audio and listen instead of reading. If you've never used a PDF reader like this before, it works by converting the text inside your file into AI-generated speech that you can play anywhere. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the Reader or Document section. This is where you can upload and manage files like PDFs or text documents. Next, upload the PDF file you want to listen to. Make sure the file is readable and not blurry or scanned poorly, because clean text gives better audio results. Once your file is uploaded, give it a moment while the system processes and extracts the text from the document. After processing, choose a voice from the available options. You can preview different voices and select the one that best fits the tone of your document. Now start playback or generate the audio version of the PDF. The tool will read your document aloud in a natural-sounding voice. As the audio plays, you can pause, skip sections, or jump to specific parts of the document depending on your needs. If something doesn't sound right, you can adjust the voice or re-upload a cleaner version of the PDF for better accuracy. When you're done, you can continue listening anytime or download the audio if the option is available for offline use. And that's how you use ElevenLabs Reader for PDFs. Share this video and
Counting in
subscribe for more
twos,
helpful tutorials.